We have a explosion. We have something burning? Or?
Yeah, this is burning.
Okay.
Dropping resistor will just get hot.
El problema es que cuando uno se pone nervioso,
But if you want it, these are actually fine.
Yeah, I got him. What was it? Was there more than one?
Spin on you when you're ready, Bruce.
Complete selection positions for $5.
Where's my lunchbox, Bruce? Where's my lunchbox?
It's a complete set. Take a dozen.
How many kilometres would you like?
I didn't bring your Tupperware container.
You
in.
didn't, did you?
That's the third time I've missed it.
It's 1,100 kilometres you travel and it's still in your car.
I'll get it out.
It's like, it's the opposite of me, it's not thick enough. Yeah, that's the stuff, that's the
How many
stuff.
you want?
How much?
Okay. You know that they're going up
Yeah,
tragically.
Yes.
I'm going to hold the price as best as I can.
Yep.
So if I said 290, what would you say?
290 sounds fairly good.
It is really good because I'm making bugger all.
Yeah.
Like,
The- The only issue is I've got a roll with 80 metres left on it still at home.
It's only 80.
Yeah.
No worries, you work out what you need.
But thank you.
What we do is
That's very
we
good.
often buy one in the club, and then club members buy it at the rate
Yeah.
we buy it at.
Yeah.
So that they can buy 10 metres at the good price.
Yeah.
Things like that.
Yeah, it's strange. We sort of do the same thing up there in Newcastle.
Yeah, in Newcastle.
Someone will buy
Yeah.
a roll, and then everyone will buy bits and pieces off you. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
All right,
It's a good
thank
way
you
to
very
do it.
much.
Beauty. Have fun.
Only way to do it.
Well, yeah, makes it do it.
I'll have one of your 7900s there, thanks. 7900? Yeah, I'll have one.
Catch up with you.
Yeah, that'd be all right.
I know the battery crowd enough of what we can actually do to replace the current. Pretty small. Expanded to get into it.